Hey there friends, today I'm going to show you how to play YouTube music on Android Auto without a subscription. I got this on my car, Android Auto, recently, and so with a subscription, it kept giving me this message. Play songs by Red.
Playing Red on YouTube Music. To do that on YouTube, you'll need to sign up for YouTube Music Premium at youtube.com/musicpremium.
So basically it would just keep telling me, hey, you can't do that. So just open up your phone and all you have to do is just open up the music app. You don't have to have premium on there. For me, I can just open, as long as the YouTube Music app is open, then I can just play music. It doesn't have to be, I don't have premium or anything like that. So I can just go whatever. And now I can go, all right, play songs by Evanescence.
Got it. Here's Evanescence on YouTube Music.
Okay, so no YouTube Premium, nothing like that. All you have to do is make sure your app is open and it'll be able to play it. You don't have to have YouTube Premium to play the music or anything like that. So super easy. If your app is closed on your thing, then simply just open up your YouTube Music app. That's all you have to do. YouTube Music, and subscription or not, it's going to play the music. So yeah, I was a little frustrated at first when it said, hey, you can't play this because you don't have a subscription. I was like, I can just listen to music on my thing, can't I? So quick and easy fix. Hope this is helpful, my friends. Have a great day. See you next time.